Follow these instructions if you're installing a matchPickle controller for the first time. This is your device. To turn it on, hold down the backup button for 4 seconds. You will notice that the controller is blinking blue and red. This means it's not paired with your iPhone or iPad. So step 2, go into your device settings, go into Bluetooth, and you will notice that the matchPickle controller is showing up as a device to connect to. Simply press that, the device will connect, and you will notice the device now will blink blue. That means it's connected. To turn the device off, simply hold down the backup button for 4 seconds. And you'll notice it blinked red when it was complete.